We've talked about this. We have. They're okay, first of all, that's obnoxious. Second of all, we talked about this. Don't give me any lip. That's Chuck, isn't it? You're Chuck. Stop giving me lip, Chuck. Sleepy. I'm pretty sure that's Penny, but I'm not 100%. That's why they have things. What are you doing? Why are you guys all in here? Ginger. Penny. The other one must have been Honey. You're Honey. No, you're Chuck. And Honey, yeah. These, all of these are bad babies. The only good one is back there doing what chickens do. These 5 little jerk faces, they're on the dog side. This is why people eat you. I'm just kidding, I love you. We're gonna have to corral you back to the other side where your coop is. I just don't know what to do with you guys anymore. They've become smarter than me. I can't get this fence to work. I think I need more sticks or stupid chickens. Dumber chickens than this. Only one good chicken. I'm going to have to figure out who that is and give them treats. Goodbye.